Oh man, I talk a billionaire, sucker. Billionaire, oh yeah, G-Clashy. Shopping and spending the cashy. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, Oji the cashy. Billionaire.
So don't be surprised when you are seeing Igbo people are spreading money all over in any ceremony, such like marriage ceremony, housewarming ceremony, or any kind of ceremony at all, even a burial ceremony. We always do that, because to spread money or to show love with money is always part of our culture. Just take a look around this video. We see how people are showing love, spreading money all over in order to help the consigner of this ceremony. So it's part of us. Stop doubting when you are seeing Igbo people, that's the tribe in Nigeria, showing their love to their people by spreading money all over when they are in any ceremony. So it's part of us. Relax. Don't stop doubting.
Oh man, I talk a billionaire, sucker. Billionaire, oh yeah,